Welcome to another How to Bake, and today we are going to bake Easter egg buns, made of a soft sweet bun with an egg inside, great for your Easter breakfast or brunch. This is what we need for the dough: whole egg, all-purpose flour, milk, sugar, vanilla sugar, dry yeast, some salt and butter. Start with warming up your milk and mix your yeast in it. Then put all of your ingredients into the mixer. Mix slow for around 3 minutes until all ingredients are well mixed. Then mix fast until your dough has reached around 27 degrees and it should be well developed. Take a bowl like this and dust some flour into it. Shape your dough round, put it in and cover it up. Let it rest for 30 minutes on a warm place. Then we need 6 eggs for inside the buns, some butter, 1 egg to glaze the buns, and some sesame seeds. After 30 minutes it's time to flatten our dough. Then melt your butter and glaze your dough with it. Now divide your dough into 6 pieces. Take your eggs and fold the dough around the egg. Use your egg to glaze the buns. This will give a nice color and the sesame seeds won't fall off. Now take your sesame seeds and sprinkle them on top of your buns. I'm using my box to let the buns proof for at least 1 hour. Use some warm water inside to create heat and moist. After 1 hour you will see that the buns look bigger. Now they are ready to bake. Finish them off with a little bit of sea salt. Use some water to create steam. This will result in better looking buns. When the buns are in the oven, decrease your oven temperature to 160 degrees or 320 Fahrenheit. This way they become very soft and the egg will be cooked as well. Thank you for watching. Did you like the video? Then leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.